Okay, just another quick unboxing. I already know what this is. It is another Cestrian. Make that another 2 Cestrians. I have a Master Series and I have a Dive Series. And I already own one of the Master Series, the white dial Cestrian automatic. Let's see what we got today. So let's start off with the Master. Oh yeah. Nice orange cushion there. And this one should be the grey dial. It's got the stickers on it at the moment. Let's see if I can take that off. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful. Don't know if that's coming off as grey on the camera, but I assure you it is. Lovely sunburst effect as well. Probably can't see it reflecting. Hand wind, milled clasp, display, case back, and trust me, the quality is so good. I've got over 100 watches. The quality of this is brilliant. For the price range, you know. I think it was 120 maybe? Anyway. Grey Master. And now, I'm not recording that. The camera's halfway on the half of my room, and I'm on the other half. Don't ask. Right, so this is the dive watch. It's the first one I've got for Cestrian. Looks good. Let's see this bad boy. I'm loving these orange cushions. Oh, that feels good. 120 unidirectional bezel. Click, click, click. Screw down crown. Hand wind. Should be the NH35 as per usual. Seiko movement. Yeah. Wheel clasp as well. And 300 meters of water resistance. Anyway, yeah, well chuffed. That is beautiful. Green ceramic, outer bezel, awesome. Son, you like these?
Yeah.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Good, good. Which one's your favourite out of these two? The Master or the Dive? Master or Dive?
Master, because I had that little blue thing on top.
Oh, that's just a sticker.
Oh, so.
Is it still the Master one?
No.
Just like them both equal, the same?
Yeah, same.
Same. Good choice.
I can't choose.
No, nor can I. Thank you.